Hi everyone, in this video we shall see the topic game theory. Game theory. Game is defined as an activity between two or more persons according to a set of rules at the end of which each person receives some benefit or suffers loss. The set of rules defines the game. Going through the set of rules once by the participants defines the play. Properties of a game. First one, there are finite number of competitors called players. Each player has a finite number of possible courses of action called strategies. All the strategies and their effects are known to the players, but the player does not know which strategy is to be chosen. The game is a combination of the strategies and in certain units which determines the gain or loss. The player playing the game always tries to choose the best course of action which results in optimal payoff called optimal strategy. The expected payoff when all the players of the game follow their optimal strategies is known as value of the game. The main objective of the problem of a game is to find the value of the game. We say that the game is fair if the value of the game is 0, otherwise we call the game as unfair. A game with only two persons is said to be two-person zero-sum game if the gain of one player is equal to the loss of the other so that the total sum is 0. In a two-person game, the payoffs in terms of gains or losses when players select their particular strategies can be represented in the form of a matrix which is called the payoff matrix of the player. The payoff matrix for player A is given below. That is player A strategies and player B strategies. Now let us see the procedure to find the saddle point. First we have to select the minimum element in each row and enclose it in a rectangular box. Then select the maximum element in each column and enclose it in a circle. Find the element which is enclosed by the rectangle as well as the circle such that each element is the value of the game and that position is called the saddle point. Let us see a problem. The game with payoff matrix for player A has been given. Here we have to find the optimal strategy for player A as well as player B, and also we have to determine the value of the game. And we have to answer whether the game is fair or strictly determinable. First we have to select the row minimum and enclose it in rectangle. Then select the column maximum and enclose it in a circle. So which is noted in the above matrix. So here we have A1, B3 is a saddle point. So we have the value of the game is -2. So the optimum strategy for A is A1 and the optimum strategy for the player B is B3. So here the game is strictly determinable. Since the value of the game is not 0, we call the game as unfair. Now let us see one more problem. The payoff matrix have been given. So we have to solve the game. That is, we have to find the value of the game. So as usual, we have to find the row minima as well as the column maxima. That is, for rows we have to find the minimum value and column wise we have to find the maximum value and enclose in circle as well as rectangle. So from this, we observe that there are two saddle points at position 1, 1 and 1, 3. Thus the solution of the game is given by the optimum strategy for player A is A1 and the optimum strategy for player B are B1 and B3. So here the value of the game is 1 for A and B. So also we have V value is not equal to 0. Since it is 1, it is not equal to 0 and the game is said to be unfair. Thank you.